Let's cut right to the chase. You're spending more money than you should be on Coursera for certificates. And it's not because you shouldn't be getting these certificates, it's because there's a much cheaper way to be doing what you're doing. And for those that don't want to watch the whole video, just check the video description now. But for those that want to hear me out, here's that video. You may or may not have heard of Coursera Plus, which gives you the opportunity to save a ton of money, either monthly or annually through a subscription. So before I get into the awesome news, I do want to share some bad news, which this is not going to help do IBM, Deep Learning, or Stanford University. But I do have right now a limited time discount for the IBM, so check out all of those IBM certificates down below. Here's some of the ones that I'm really excited are included: Machine Learning with TensorFlow and Google Cloud, Google Data Analytics Certificate, got the Johns Hopkins and the Duke University Statistics, the Machine Learning Specialization, all of these specializations, SQL, Data Visualization, Data Structures and Algorithms, and Big Data, all from University of California. If you want to learn Spark from Databricks, that's included, Python for Everybody from Michigan, the Reinforcement Learning Specialization, the Big Data Specialization on Google Cloud. Most importantly, there's a 7-day free trial and a 14-day money-back guarantee. So go to the video description, click that link to Coursera Plus, and just sign up, because if you find that you don't like it, then that's totally fine. Just get your money back beforehand. It doesn't matter. There's literally no reason that you wouldn't do this. You probably fall into one of 3 groups of people here, and that is the first one. If you only want to get one certificate, check my description down below for a discount. Otherwise, if that's not the right one for you, don't worry about it. But the other 2 groups of people, Coursera Plus may help you out a ton, and it's either monthly or yearly. Group 2 people should take monthly, and Group 3 should take yearly. Group 2 is if you're actually you know that you can work a lot faster than they're saying you can, and yes, trust me, a lot of them you can work a lot faster, and you want to get a bunch of certificates in a couple months. Yes, you can absolutely do this. And if you are in this group of people, trust me, get Coursera Plus monthly for a couple months, whatever you want to do. Grind out your certificates. You will save a ton of money rather than paying for each individual one. It pays off even with 2 rather than just 1 certificate. And if you're in group 3, that is those that want to do, a longer certificate, or maybe stretch out this material for a longer piece of time. If you know that for the next year or so, you're going to be working on certificates, then trust me, just get Coursera Plus annual now. You will save a ton of money. The price on the screen here is $41, which is monthly if you do the annual subscription. Okay, so you actually end up saving $31 per month if you buy the annual subscription. Except most people, probably aren't going to be working on certificates for the whole year. If you are, then just do the annual. That's awesome. Except a lot of you Group 2 just want to grind out a lot of certificates, and so do Coursera Plus monthly for a month or 2, whatever you need. Get those certificates, and it'll help a ton. And if you don't like it, just get your money back.